Hello Internet people. Are you trying to find a way to receive PayPal and credit card payments in your WooCommerce WordPress website? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a PayPal Express checkout in WooCommerce. All you need is a PayPal plugin and you will be able to receive also credit card payments. The best part is that it's as easy as taking a ring to Mount Doom. It's done. Tips with punch. Before we start, I just want to mention that I assume you already have WooCommerce installed on your WordPress. If you don't have WooCommerce yet, don't worry, check the link in the description. There's a great tutorial for that. Alright, I'm here in my WordPress dashboard. So let's first install the plugin for WooCommerce and PayPal. So just go here in the menu to plugins, add new, and then type in WooCommerce PayPal. And you need this PayPal checkout payment gateway. This is the one you want to pick. So install it and activate it. And while you're waiting, take it easy like this guy. Now if you scroll down, you can see WooCommerce PayPal checkout and just click on settings. Alright, so scroll down and here's some settings we're going to set up, but the easiest way is to actually just click on this setup or link an existing PayPal account. So I'm going to do that. Just going to log in. And this is in Dutch just because I'm in Netherlands, but basically it's telling you that it's the WooCommerce wants to have a connection to your PayPal. So I'm going to give the permission for that. And once it's done, you'll see this kind of message that it's all successful and stuff. If for some reason it crashes, I had that, then just redo the whole process again and then you'll see this message. So now you can go back to the WooCommerce developers page and they're going to redirect you to the correct place. And if it doesn't work, send them feedback like this.
Crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and hear the lamentation of their women.
As you can see here, it filled in everything you need for the API. And now if I go to my website, you can see I have this landing page. I'm using cart flows. And if I go to the buy section, then you can see here I have a PayPal button and I have some fake information here. And then if I click on PayPal, it opens it up and you can pay with this. But maybe you noticed there was no way to pay with a credit card. And actually you would need to first click on create an account. Now you can see a credit card payment option. This is not really optimal, so let's change some settings in WooCommerce.
Okay, make it quick because my horse is getting tired.
In the left menu, go to WooCommerce and then click on settings. And then find this payment tab on top. And in the PayPal Express row, click on the manage button. On this page, scroll down until you see hide funding method. Make sure you remove the credit card from this box. Then scroll slightly up until you see landing page and change it to billing, non-PayPal account. And then find the subtotal mismatch behavior setting and change it do not send line items to PayPal. Otherwise, your customers might end up with this messy PayPal invoice. This might confuse them. Then just save all changes. Arnie, how is it going so far?
Only pain.
We just need to check one more thing in PayPal settings and then we are done. So once you log into your PayPal account, in the dashboard, click on this cogwheel here at the top and select account settings. Scroll down and in the left menu select website payments and click on update next to website preferences. Scroll down until you see PayPal account optional section. Make sure it's enabled. And now if I go to my website and scroll to the PayPal button, you can see that there are now credit card icons. When I click on pay, I have the option to pay with PayPal or with credit card. So it's really easy for your customers to choose their preferred way. So I've just shown you how to set up a real PayPal account, but I recommend you also set up a PayPal Sandbox test account so you can make test payments on your website. If you're interested, then check out the video link that will appear on your screen's top right corner now. My name is Robert, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about how to improve your website, get more traffic, and other website related stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. Here are 2 videos that I think you should watch next. Whoosh!